Hello dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. Today we'll solve 3 case study questions from triangles. It is class 10 CBSE will be asked in new pattern of the examination. So case study 1, as I told earlier, you have to read the question very carefully and very mindfully till you understand the question, whole question. Here there is a figure. See the figure. Next is read the question. Vijay is trying to find the average height of a tower near his house. He is using the properties of similar triangles. The height of the Vijay's house, if 20 meter, when Vijay's house casts a shadow 10 meter long on the ground. At the same time, the tower casts a shadow of 50 meter long on the ground, and the house of Ajay casts 20 meter shadow on the ground. First is, this is a Vijay's house. The height is given. It is 20 meter. Be 20 meter. And BC is the shadow. It is your 10 meter. At the same time, PQ is the tower and QR is the shadow. The shadow length is given how much? 50 meter. Yeah, I'm not writing meter here. And Ajay's house, this is Ajay's house. Let us name as XYZ. Ajay's house casts 20 meter shadow. YZ is 20 meter. So if we'll recall or take the similarity concept, polar triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR is similar to triangle XYZ. Why? When we see the shadow, we see that the angle of the sun is always same for each at a particular moment. So this is, if this is theta angle, this is also theta, this is XYZ, this is theta. So they are similar triangles. And if this is 90 degree, you know, the two angles are equal, so they are all similar triangles. Case study has 5 questions. Sometimes we are given options to find 4 answers, but you should practice all the 5 questions. Here, first question is, what is the height of the tower? Tower means its question is about PQ. So I'll take from triangle ABC, you will see AB, BC all are given. So I'll write triangle ABC, it's similar to triangle PQR. Triangle AB, ratio of AB to BC is equal to PQ to QR. What is AB? AB is equal to 20, BC is equal to 10, is equal to PQ is not given. We have to find out. This is the height of the tower is asked. If needed, you can read the questions twice. PQ and QR is given, that is the shadow of the tower. This is QR. 50. So 20 upon 10 is equal to PQ upon 50. So you have to find PQ. You can cross multiply. So PQ is equal to 50 multiplies 20 by 10. Cancel, it will be 100 meter. So where is the answer? C is the answer. So what we are using? Using height by shadow is same as height by shadow. Ratio of height to shadow, height 1 to shadow 1 is equal to height 2 to shadow 2. You can find out. This we finish question number 1. Next, coming to question number 2. Question number 2 is, what will be the length of the shadow of the tower when Vijay's house casts a shadow of 12 meters? It is saying now what I have written ABC. They have changed the shadow, how much? 12, but height is not changed, that is 20. It was 20 was there, now it is also 20. Shadow is not 10, it is 12. That means the angle of sun has changed. Sun has changed the position, so shadow is changing. And here, this is your tower. I am writing again PQR, and this is your XYZ. What will be the second part? What will be the length of the shadow of the tower? Question is about shadow of the tower. That means question is about QR when Vijay's house casts a shadow of 12 meters. So BC is 12 meters. BC is the shadow of the Vijay's house. PQ we have already found out 100, so I'll write 100. Now the question is, what is the shadow QR? You can take as X also, or you can write QR. The same concept I will write. Height of Vijay's house on Vijay's house's shadow BC is equal to PQ by QR. Only you have to read mindfully what it is changed. Change reads 12 meters. Previously it was 10 meters, now it is 12 meters. So 20 upon 12, this was not given. Height of the tower, it is given now, and the shadow is not given. So shadow is right QR. So again you cross multiply. So QR is equal to 12 into 100 by 20. Because you will see, I'll multiply 20 into QR is equal to 100 into 12. So QR is equal to 100 into 12 by 20. Here also, I did not write this step. PQ multiplies 10 is equal to 50 into 20. So PQ is equal to 50 into 20 by 10. So we will simplify 25 times 100, 12 5s times 60. So QR is 60 meters. So 60 meters is the answer. So D part is the answer. Next question. Coming to question number 3. Question number 3. Question is, what is the height of the Ajay's house? Let us see what was given for the Ajay's house. For Ajay's house, it was given that the shadow was 20 meters. Shadow was 20 meters. So let us mark shadow was 20 meters. Get height of the Ajay. You have to get X, Y. So same logic will apply. What is triangle ABC is similar to triangle XYZ. I'm writing the region, but no need of writing the region when you are solving MCQ question. You can go directly by skipping the steps. So I'll write AB by BC is equal to XY upon YZ. D upon 12 20 of 12, I'll take the original one. Original, that's the original shadow. Shadow was 10 only. So I'm not taking 12. I'm taking is 10 because I am getting what this is equal to xy upon 20. I'm not taking 12. 12 was for second part only. For third part, I will take the information from part 1. Again, I'm showing, going back. For part 1, the shadow was 10 only. So 20 ratio 10. So I'll write 20 ratio 10. I've changed to 10 here, not 20. This is part 1. So it will be xy by 20. Then what will be answer? Xy into 10 is equal to 400. 20 multiplies 20. Then xy will be, you can cancel 1, so 40 meter. So height of the house is 40 meter. B is the answer. Fourth, when the tower casts a shadow of 40 meter. Now tower is casting a shadow of 40 meter. Same time, what will the length of shadow of Ajay's house? Tower was 100 meter. PQR, because the shadow was 40. Now Ajay house is how much height? 40. We have calculated here that 40 I will apply. Height of the xy was the height. So what will be the shadow of Ajay's house? That means question is about y, z. So I'll write 100 upon 40 from PQR. Height of the height by shadow is equal to height upon shadow, yz. Multiply yz multiplies 100 is equal to 40 into 40. Cancel this 0 here only. 16. So it costs 60 meter. When the tower casts a shadow of 40 meter, same time, what will the length of shadow of Vijay's house? Now, height of the tower was 100 and shadow was 40 for your tower. Question is about Vijay's house was 20 meter. If you remember, what will be the BC? What will the shadow of Vijay's house? So same concept I'll apply. I'll write 20 by BC is equal to 100 upon 40. So cross multiply. It will be BC multiplies 100. BC multiplies 100 is equal to 40 into 20. I'll cancel 2 zeros. BC is equal to 8 meter. B is the answer. ये बोल रहा है अगर टावर 50 मीटर शेडो बनाएगा तो विजय हाउस का शेडो कितना होगा? That means height of the tower is 100, shadow is 40. So 100 by 40 is equal to height of the Vijay house was 20 already. From part 1 we had been given. So we'll put 20 and shadow will keep blank BC, or you can write X, Y, whatever it may be, then cross multiply, find. Now coming to case study 2. Read the questions mindfully. If needed, read the question twice, thrice. till you understand the whole part. Rohan wants to measure the distance of a pond. To measure a distance of a pond during the visit to his native place. He marks points A, B on the opposite edges of the pond as shown on the figure. This is the pond. See, A and B are extreme ends. Find the distance between these points. He makes a right angle triangle. Using rope connecting B and another point C are at a distance 12 meters. To measure the distance, he marked B and C with rope connecting to C and D. Another point D he connected. Another point he connected A. This is the extreme end. Distance of 30 meters. So he took a pond was there in AB. He did an arrangement to find the width of the pond. How? He took a rope, fixed a point A, then D at a distance 30 meters, then B to C at 12 meters, and CD 40 meters, and this makes 90 degrees. That means उन्होंने एक राइट ट्रायंगल बनाया, ए पॉइंट से डी पॉइंट तक एक रोप बांधा जो 30 मीटर है, यहाँ से 90 डिग्री में लेकर सी तक गया जो बी से सी 12 मीटर का दूर है. माप ही नहीं सकता है, इसलिए he made some arrangement in the geometry. Question है, what property of geometry will be used to find the distance of AC? Whether it will be similarity of triangle, Thales theorem, Pythagoras theorem, area of similarity triangles. So it is clearly visible. He made 90 degree. So it is your Pythagoras theorem. C is the answer. Is answer. Next is, what is the distance of AC? What is the distance of AC? Find distance of AC. AC is the hypotenuse only because this is 90 degree. So AD is equal to your 30. CD is equal to 40, then AC is equal to AC square is equal to, you know that, AD square plus CD square. But the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of squares of other two sides in a right triangle. You know it is your. So AD square means this will be 30 square and CD square is 40 square. You know how to find. 14 to 3900 plus 14 to 50 1600, this will be 2500. And what will be AC? AC will be square root of this. 2500 square root will be 5 and 0. Out of 2 0 you will take 1 0. 25 square root is 5. So 50 meter. The distance of AC is 50 meter. So A is the answer. Next is, which of the following does not form a Pythagoras triplet? Pythagoras triplet means A, B, C forms Pythagorean triplet if square of any two sides, smaller sides, is the square of bigger. So here for each you take the smaller squares, 7 squares plus 24 squares, whether it is equal to 25 square or not. Yes, it is. 9 plus 24 square is 576 and 25 square is 625. This sum gives 25. So this is A Pythagorean triplet. But the question is which does not form a triplet. Next, come to second one. So A is not the answer. 8 square, smaller one, 15 square, smaller one. Then see that whether it is square of 17 or not. So 64 plus 225, 289, which is square of 17 square. So they also form a triplet. Next is 5 square plus 12 square, 25 plus 144 is equal to 169, which is 13 square. So that is also no, it does not, it forms Pythagorean triplet. So ultimately last one will be the answer. So 21 square plus 20 square. 21 square is 441. 20 square is equal to 400. So this will be 841. This is 29 square, not 28 square. What is 28 square? 27 square is equal to 786. 784. So this is answer. Next, fourth part. Fourth part is find the length of AB. Find the length of AB. So this is the question. Are we going back to the question? Length of AB. So how much was AC? AC was your AC, we have got to 50, and when BC is equal to 12, so AB will be 50 minus 12. B is equal to 38. Drawing the figure again. This was 30. This was 40. This was 50. This is 12. A. 12. And it is 30. This is 90 degree. The question is, AB we got, because this will be total is your 50. 50 minus 12, that will be 38. AB is 50 minus 12, that will be 38. Fifth one, find the length of the rope used. Length of the rope used means we tied rope from A to D, D to C, and B to C. So BC plus CD plus AD. BC is 12, CD is equal to 40, AD is equal to 30. So we'll add them, we are getting 82 meters. See the answer. Third, scale factor. This is a study based on scale factor. What is scale factor? A scale drawing of an object is the same shape at an object but a different size. The scale of drawing is a comparison of a length used for drawing to the length of the it represents. The scale is written as a ratio. The ratio of two corresponding sides in similar figure is called scale factor. Scale factor is the length of the image corresponding to length of the object. If one shape can become another using revising, then the shapes are similar. Hence, two shapes are similar when one can become the other after a resize. Flip, slide, or turn. In the photograph below showing the side view of a train engine, scale is 1:2. स्केल फैक्टर हम क्यों यूज करते हैं? जैसे एक बड़ा सा मॉडल एक शिप है, उसका आप छोटा सा मॉडल बनाएंगे तो इतना बड़ा तो हम नहीं बना पाएंगे, वी टेक ए रेशियो। अगर वहां 5 मीटर का होगा, हमने उसको 1 मीटर छोटा सा बना दिया, तो सारा चीज जो बनेगा वो भी उसी रेशियो में बनेगा। दैट इज सिमिलर फिगर। हियर इंजन का फिगर दिया हुआ है, उसको किस स्केल फैक्टर क्या है ना, 1:200। तो पिक्चर में अगर 1 है तो एक्चुअली वो कितना है, 200। ये 1 मीटर का है तो पिक्चर में वो 200 मीटर का है। 1 सेंटीमीटर का है तो ये 200 सेंटीमीटर का है एक्चुअली। This means that the length of 1 centimeter on the photograph above corresponding to the length of 200 centimeter or 2 meter of actual engine. The scale can also be written as the ratio of two lengths. This is about the scale factor. Now coming to question. Here, if the length of a model is 11 centimeter, then overall length of the engine, a model बना हुआ है सेंटीमीटर है, तो एक्चुअल लेंथ ऑफ द मॉडल इंजन कितना होगा, इंक्लूडिंग द पॉकेट्स टू कनेक्ट इज हाउ मच। If this is 1:200, so just multiply 200 here. In picture it is 11 centimeter. In real it will be how much? So it will be 11 multiplies 200. So 2200 centimeter. Now you will be thinking that there will be no options here. One is 22, 220, 220 meter, 22 meter. Which one will be answer? Certainly this will be 22 meter. Next. What will affect the similarity of any two polygons? That means when two polygons are not similar, they are flipped horizontally, they are by a scale factor, they are translated down, they are not the mirror image of one another. Mirror image of one another, cannot say they are similar. Question number 3. What is the actual width of the door? If the width of the door of a photograph is 0.35 centimeter, so it is 1:200 ratio. Now the photograph is 0.35. What will be the actual size? Same. What will do? 0.35 multiplies 200. So it will be, people multiply, it will be 700 decimal 70 centimeter. 70 centimeter is not there in options. 0.7, 0.7 centimeter, 0.07 centimeter, 0.07 meter. So you convert this into how much you are getting. You are getting 0.7 meter. Question number 4. If two similar triangles have a scale factor 5:3, that means ratio of their sides A, B, C, P, Q, R. These are the two similar triangles. Triangles A, B, C is similar to triangle P, Q, R. Their scale factor of the sides means AB by PQ is equal to 5:3. Now options are there. You have to say which statement regarding the two triangles is true. The ratio of perimeter is 15:1. Their altitude have ratio 25:15. Their medians have a ratio 10:4. Their angle bisector are ratio 11:5. All are ratio of the sides. That means side 1 upon of triangle 2 is same as your altitude 1 by altitude 2, same as your perimeter 1 by perimeter 2, same as your median 1 by median 2, same as your angle bisector 1 by angle bisector 2. So you have to find out of these which has the equivalent to 5 by 3. So 15 by 1 is not equivalent to 5 by 3. Now coming this one, 25 by 15. So 25 by 15, if we'll make it lowest, it will be 5 by 3. So this is B is the answer. The length of AB in this figure. Here, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADE. So AB upon AD is equal to BC upon DE. This is a very here the length of AB you have to find out, and this figure is also given. This is, you have to take X, this is 4, this is 3, D is equal to 6. So I'm not taking ratio ACC because they are not given. What is given I'm writing. So AB upon AD is equal to BC upon DE, or you can write AB upon BC is equal to AD upon DE. We won't write that is BD. BD is not a part of a triangle. The options are 8, 6, 4, and 10. X upon X plus 4. AD is X plus 4 is equal to BC 3, D is equal to 6. Now simplify, cross multiply 6 in times of X is equal to 3X plus 12 on multiplying gives you 3X is equal to 12, or X is equal to 12 divided by 3, that will be 4. 4 centimeter is the answer. I hope you followed. Question number 2. I will be explaining again. When they are flipped horizontally, they are similar. When they are dilated by scale factor, then only polygons are similar. They are translated down, they are also similar. And when they are not mirror image, it does not affect the similarity. We cannot say whether they are similar or not. So this affects the mirror image. If there will be no mirror image, we cannot say whether they are similar or not. That's why D is the answer.